Type 2 diabetes isn't enough.
And for on-the-go immune support, try Emergen-C Crystals. No water needed.
Hey, Daddy, you're flooring my house.
Type 2 diabetes isn't enough. Plus, we think Mounjaro can help. Mounjaro helps your body regulate blood.